been a really good start to the season. Obviously made a big change this winter, changing the brands for this year, and yeah, done a lot of hard work. Felt really good on the bike straight away, so it's been a pretty smooth winter, just putting in the hours, and yeah, didn't know what to expect coming into the first round. I know I've been riding good, but you know, didn't really know what to expect until racing everybody here at the World Championship, and yeah, it's been a solid start to the year. Obviously on the GP podium today, just 9 seconds off the first position, and yeah, won the class and got the red plate, and I think that's the first time in my career I've been leading the World Championship. So yeah, really happy, and now looking forward to next weekend.
We finished day 2 here in Fafe. Yeah, it was a good day because I was riding so good. I'm really happy with my speed, but I had a big crash in the first extreme test where I lose more than 10 seconds. Then I was able to keep the rhythm to be back fighting for the top step, but it wasn't enough. But I'm really happy about my riding during the whole day. So yeah, it's just the first round. We are leading EnduroGP, so next week round 2, can't wait to give everything again.
Yeah, so really happy about my day 2 in Portugal. Pumped to get the first win with the team, first EnduroGP win, first win in E1 as well. So yeah, a lot of positives to take from today, and real good feeling with the bike, and general kind of feeling with the team is awesome. So looking forward to continuing on to next weekend in Portugal, and yeah, feeling good.